I was kindly gifted this Pilates set in exchange for this video. So first of all, it comes with this nice bag here. And then we have the ring already made, so you don't even have to fap with putting this together or anything. And then we have this little cute instruction pamphlet on how to use everything in here. We have the sliders, we have a ball, and it actually comes with a pump, a set of bands. So the different strengths, like this is light, extra light, medium, extra heavy. It even comes with the little Pilates slippers. We have the wide elastics, stretching armband. You can use this with your feet or whatever as well. And then we have the two kind of like massage balls here. So a really nice like rubberized texture, but definitely solid inside. And the whole set is just so pretty, especially if you love purple or lavender. This is so cute. It would be a great gift as well. And then we have all of these little instructions right here ready to go. So you could just take this to the park. So easy to use it. And of course you can use it in your room, at home. So let's go ahead and try everything out now. So we have on the little slippers that were included. We have our ball that we can work with. I inflated that very easily with the included pump. So one of the ways you can use the ball, kind of just like to brace your side, I'm using the light band. Of course, the ring is a handy one to use. This is probably my favorite of all of the Pilates items. And then we have the tension belt. This is another great one that you can just take this one piece with you on the go. It takes up very little space and you can do your stretching and exercises. So pretty much a complete set. I really like this one, how you can do different arm exercises with that one as well. This wide band, and it's very comfortable too. And then all of this packs up very neatly in the little purple backpack to take with you very easily on the go. Such a cute set, pretty comprehensive as well, I think.